Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where white blank desktop shortcut icons appear, then please watch this video. I'll guide you through two solutions only. First of all, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for this list to load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and select Restart. If you don't find the Windows Explorer process here, scroll down to the absolute bottom and you'll find it somewhere here in the background processes. Now, the Windows Explorer process has to exist. There's no situation where it won't. The other one is that search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Go to disk cleanup. Okay. Now here's what we are doing. We are deleting the icon cache. So select all of these options here. Click on OK and then click on OK once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.